Beacon Community helps clients get admitted to elite graduate programs, and Duke Fuqua has one of the top MBA programs in the world. This year, one of our clients who got admitted was kind enough to show us the admissions package that Fuqua sends to its admitted students. The package arrived in a FedEx envelope just a week after our client received a phone call letting them know that they were admitted. It's a baseball cap. How very American. Obviously in the rich blue of Fuqua's logo. There's this green sticker on it that says Legacy. I think that's probably a reference to the company Legacy, which is a US-based manufacturer of college apparel. It could be confusing though, because in college admissions, legacies are those who had a family member who previously attended the same institution. I wonder if there are actual legacy students who are admitted to Fuqua who assume they received a special cap just because they were a legacy. It'd be funny if those people kept this logo sticker on around campus. Let's see what else is in here. A Duke Fuqua sticker, of course. Fuqua is all about Team Fuqua, and it looks like they start their students early. Just a regular sticker, something you can put on your laptop perhaps. And this, let me show the camera. This is a letter from the Associated Dean of Admissions congratulating the student. Pretty simple. It's not personalized to the student, but that makes sense. I think they tried to send these packages out in a hurry. There's also a special email address specifically for those who were admitted to Fuqua. Kind of like your own personal concierge line for those elite American Express cards. Nothing on the back. It's a nice card. And I think that's it. A cap, a sticker, and a card. You can find out more about how we helped our client get admitted by reaching out to us through our website at www.beacon.community.